Back at you again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Back at you again, doing the installation of the vintage air, the vents. About to go and install that.
Get the wrench.
You just lightly snug it.
Yeah. I tightened it with my hand, but it needed like just a little turn on it.
Right. Got the little vents that go in there. 2 of them. Okay, got the vents in. You could go up, sideways, control your air conditioning and your heater, up and down. And you got this one over here you can control. And we about to put a screw on that in. Gotta make a hole over there, a little incision. Okay, now watch your body weight on this.
Yeah, I got it.
We're hooking up the accelerator. Yeah, watch that. What you need, a 10? Yeah. All right, we got that accelerator pedal in. And we got the foot pedal, brand new. And it's missing the 2 pins. We got those 2. Goes right here like that. With the 2 pins. Goes in the bottom here. Gotta make some holes where they'll line up like that. And we got the new foot pedal. Brother Ed over there tighten it up where you can accelerate. Got the new Dakota Digital, those are new fuses. And we got the new American Auto Wire, those are new fuses, I meant to say.
Nope.
There you go, Ed. Yeah. You did the bottom one?
The bottom one down.
Oh, beautiful. Excellent.
Now, I might be able to get that socket on there. Let's go try this.
All right, I'm about ready to go underneath. I got to put these pins in for the foot pedal, for the accelerator. Got my foot pedal where it should be. So I got to bring the studs tomorrow that's made for the foot pedal.